Hello po, this is RG from News 5. Recently, I'm not sure if it's pre-pandemic or during the pandemic, na nagkaroon po ng disruption sa supply ng chickens. And we experienced restaurants na konti lang yung supply ng chickens nila. And pati sa mga grocery and supermarkets. So how do you respond po to that kind of crisis, especially kapag sa supply po yung usapan?
Nangyayari yun, no? Particularly in 2020, where you had a situation all of a sudden your restaurant just closed. You just have to right size. You have to right size, and that includes early culling. No? The breeders, you have to early cull it, but lucky for us because we're very strong in retail. So for retail, it was able to pick up the slack. People were not going out to eat, but people were buying chicken in the supermarket. And then during that time, we also created yung reseller. People who are not able to go out to work, we created a reseller program where they can buy our product and supply their community. That also carry a lot of slacks. And then, yes, yan ang ano. And then, of course, I should also mention we got very strong support from the government. The DTI and the Department of Agriculture help us by making sure our people can continue to go to work because we're what we call during that time essential industry. People need to work. They gave us yung pass. During that time, I felt like a king. I can pass through any checkpoint just by wearing a baggy T-shirt. And thank the government for really helping and making sure that happens.
Thank you.